Organising your kitchen doesn't have to be stressful. If you break the process into manageable pieces, you can start with confidence. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organize to Excel, and I'm here today to help you organise your kitchen. When we organise a kitchen, we start with the acronym I CARE. Identify, categorize, assign homes, relationships, and ease of maintenance. So identify. What does your ideal kitchen look like? Do you prefer a minimalist look with clear countertops at all times? Or do you prefer to have kitchen gadgets out and ready to use at a moment's notice? If you prefer to order in for most meals, your ideal kitchen will look very different from someone who cooks breakfast, lunch and dinner from scratch. What do you want to use the space for? Is your ideal kitchen a place to stop and grab a coffee on the way out the door? Or do you dream of a space where you can entertain friends and family? What rules does your kitchen follow? Once you know the answer, you'll have a better plan for organising your kitchen. Categorize. The next step towards your ideal kitchen is to categorize what's in it now and let go of what you no longer need. Do you have duplicate items? And how many of each thing do you really need? When was the last time you used that cool kitchen gadget? If it's been a while, it might be time to let it go. These are the rules we use for decluttering. Purge items first. Return recent purchases if you find you don't need or want them. And sell items that are worth the time it takes to list on a website like eBay or through a garage sale. Donate what isn't worth selling but could be useful to someone else. Recycle any paper and plastic according to your local regulations. And as a last resort, throw away the trash that can't be returned, sold, donated or recycled. Do repair items that are fixable instead of buying new ones to cut down on waste. And lastly, keep only the items that you love or need. Once you've pared down your kitchen clutter to the essentials, you can assign each item a logical home, creating space and keeping what you need easily at hand. Especially important in kitchens to create staging areas, because cooking requires specific sets of items. Keep your baking supplies together in one area and your drink station in another. Maybe your kitchen needs a snack station. How about a stovetop cooking station? And keep your ideal kitchen in mind as you create these staging areas. If you don't cook much, you won't need your stand mixer out all of the time. Then ask yourself how often you use each item. If you use something every day, you may keep it on the counter or in an easy reach drawer or cabinet. Or if you use it once a week, put it on a higher or a lower shelf. And if you use something once a year, seasonally or only for special occasions, keep it behind something else or on your highest or lowest shelf. And you'll know you assigned the items to the correct homes if your system is easy to maintain. Keeping like with like in staging areas, using labels, and keeping consistent homes for items will make it easy for you and other people to put kitchen tools back where they belong. If you find it difficult to keep your kitchen free of clutter, it may be time to let go of more items, or rethink where they go. You can also use I CARE on smaller areas first if you're not up to tackling your entire kitchen. Start with a drawer or a cabinet and go through the process step by step. Starting small can help you increase your confidence. Happy organising! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new here, remember to click subscribe to get more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. Organize to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website organizetoexcel.com.